Are you wondering how to charge your Kindle Paper-White? No problem, we've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you charge your device. First, make sure you have the correct USB cable. Your Kindle Paper-White comes with a USB to micro USB cable, but if you don't have the original cable, you can purchase a USB to micro USB from many retailers. Next, plug the small end of the cable into the bottom of your Paper-White. You'll find the small oval-like port at the bottom center of your Kindle Paper-White. Then, plug the larger end of the cable into your computer. If you have an all-in-one computer, you'll find extra USB ports on the back of your monitor. If you have a laptop, you'll find these on the sides. And if you have a CPU tower, you'll find a few extra USB ports on the front. These USB connections only fit into ports one way, so if it doesn't go in the first time, flip it 180 degrees and try again. Finally, wait for the LED light on your Kindle Paper-White to turn green. This indicates that your battery is fully charged and ready to use. Once the light turns green, unplug your device from your computer. And that's it, your Kindle Paper-White should now be fully charged and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.